Emna, let me ask you honestly, what time do you usually wake up on weekends?
If I'm being truthful, around 10 a.m.
10 o'clock. I thought you were the 5A meditation type.
Oh no, I'm the wake up at 5 a.m., then roll over and go back to sleep type.
I'm a pro at that too. My alarm clock has only one mission,
What mission?
for me to turn it off.
Spot on. The alarm isn't to wake you up, but to remind you that you still have the right to snooze a bit more.
Sometimes I set alarms at 6, then 6, 10, 6:20, 6:30,
And finally wake up at what time?
9:45 a.m.
That chain of alarms is like an action movie trailer. Watch the whole trailer before the main event. Sleep some more.
But I think sleeping in on weekends has its own benefits.
What benefits?
At least we don't spend money.
Yeah. Waking up early can lead to spending.
Like what?
Wake up early, go for breakfast, see tempting bread, buy some pastries, spot bubble tea, grab a cup too.
And the end result?
Wallet super thin, belly super full.
Sounds super logical.
But my mom doesn't think so.
What does your mom say?
If you sleep this much, you'll end up as a professional pillow hugger.
My mom says, if you sleep like this, what job will you do in the future?
What did you reply?
I said, I'll be a pillow quality tester, Mom.
Makes sense. You've got years of testing experience.
But there's something strange.
What?
On school days, I can't get up.
Spot on.
But on days off, I'm wide awake at 7.
That's called brain betraying its owner.
I suspect the brain has built-in GPS.
What kind of GPS?
It knows it's a day off, so it wakes me early, to make me regret it.
Get up. You don't even need to get up today.
Exactly. It's like, no school today.
And we immediately sleep some more.
The body reacts super logically.
But even if I sleep late, I still love weekend mornings.
Why?
Because there's no deadline hanging over me.
That feeling is like a clear sky after the rain.
Or like opening the fridge and finding the last slice of pizza.
Oh, that's the peak of happiness.
Speaking of which,
What?
I once set a goal to wake up early on weekends to exercise.
How did it go?
I set the goal excellently.
Meaning you haven't exercised yet?
Exactly. But the goal was clear and grand.
I was like that too.
What did you plan to do?
Jogging.
How far did you run?
From the bed to the fridge.
That distance requires a thorough warm-up.
Right. Because there are snacks waiting in the fridge.
I think exercise is really important.
But getting enough sleep is just as important.
So how to balance it?
Sleep enough to have the energy to think about exercising.
This philosophy sounds dangerous but appealing.
And very realistic.
Alex, how's your studying this week?
If fine means still breathing, then fine.
Sounds stressful.
3 assignments, 2 presentations, 1 test.
Like a superhero's schedule.
But I have no superpowers.
You do.
What power?
Procrastinating until the last minute.
Oh, right. I have a PhD in that field.
Me too.
Give an example.
I open my laptop to do homework.
Then what?
I think, need music to focus better.
Makes sense.
Then spend 20 minutes picking a playlist.
Classic.
Then see a cute kitten video.
And
2 hours later, I know the name of every cat in the video,
you researched deeply.
but haven't touched the homework.
I have a similar routine.
Tell me.
Open the document.
Good.
Look at the title.
Very good.
Suddenly feel tired.
Huh.
Go make coffee.
Made it, then did the homework?
No.
Why?
Coffee's too hot. Have to wait for it to cool.
While waiting?
Scroll social media.
Result?
Coffee cools, motivation cools with it.
We're the slow starter student type.
But when the deadline is looming,
Work like crazy.
Exactly.
Pressure creates temporary genius.
At 11 p.m., I'm like Einstein,
At 8 p.m., like a lazy potato.
but submitting feels amazing.
Like beating the final boss in a game.
I usually reward myself.
With what?
One episode.
Just one?
3 episodes.
Honesty is a good virtue.
What about you?
I eat cake.
How many?
Assignment, enough to forget the next assignment.
Advanced psychological strategy.
Studying is a long, endless journey.
And snacks are essential fuel.
I like that saying.
Should write it on the classroom wall for everyone to admire.
And get punished.
Emna, have you noticed? Weekend coffee shops are like a mini universe.
Totally. Each table is its own movie.
That table over there is probably shooting a romantic film.
How do you know?
Those two are looking at each other like the world only has them left.
Maybe they're arguing over who pays.
Oh, unexpected plot twist.
But I love observing coffee shops.
Me too.
Some people come here to really study.
And some come to pretend to study.
Like us?
No, we're relaxing after thinking about studying.
This definition sounds strangely convincing.
I once saw a guy open his laptop for 3 hours.
Working hard?
No, he was choosing a desktop wallpaper,
3 hours?
zooming in on each one, very meticulously.
That's a rare level of dedication.
But I think coffee has a special superpower.
What superpower?
When holding a cup of coffee, everyone looks twice as busy.
So true. Holding coffee automatically makes you look like you're hatching a grand plan.
Even if the plan is sitting idle for another 2 hours.
I love the feeling of sitting in a coffee shop.
Why?
Soft music, people murmuring, clinking of cups and saucers.
Sounds like the soundtrack of a good movie.
Right. And we're the main characters.
But slightly lazy main characters.
The main characters are enjoying the weekend.
Yeah, makes sense.
Hey, Alex,
Oh,
what did you order?
iced milk coffee.
I could guess that.
How do you guess so well?
Because you order the same every time.
That's called unwavering loyalty.
No, that's called lazy to change.
Partly right.
I like trying new things.
How does it go?
50% tasty.
The other 50%?
Looks great, but drinking it, a bit of a culture shock.
Like those neon green flashy drinks?
Exactly.
I think those drinks look more like chemistry experiments.
But they photograph beautifully.
In this era, drinks have to be photogenic first.
Tasty is a bonus.
But in the end, I always go back to familiar milk coffee.
A life loop. Alex, do you ever plan to turn over a new leaf every Monday?
Yes. And that plan usually crumbles by Tuesday.
I don't even make it to Tuesday.
What's your plan?
Wake up early. Exercise. Study hard. Eat healthy.
Sounds like an inspirational poster.
But in reality,
What's reality?
wake up late. Eat snacks. Watch random videos.
At least you're true to yourself.
What about you?
I once resolved from today, study 2 hours every day.
Result?
I learned more creative ways to procrastinate.
Example?
Clean the desk.
Sounds good.
But I clean so thoroughly.
To what level?
Wipe each pen one by one.
Are you preparing to open a stationery store?
Then arrange books by rainbow colors.
That's installation art.
When done, study time's over.
Perfect tactic.
But I realized a truth.
What truth?
Humans are great at planning.
But bad at executing?
Spot on.
I think plans are like blockbuster movie trailers.
Meaning? Trailers are always grand and exciting.
But the actual movie,
Sometimes you fall asleep midway.
however, I still like making plans.
Why? Because it brings fresh hope.
Sounds deeply philosophical.
For example,
Yeah?
if today I'm lazy,
Then what?
we can still tell ourselves, tomorrow I'll start over.
Oh, the upgraded version strategy.
Version 2.
But next week it's version 3.
And each version is full of motivation in the first 24 hours.
But I think it's no big deal.
Why?
As long as we try a little each day.
Just a little?
Yes.
Sounds like adult advice.
I'm practicing being an adult.
What percent progress?
About 30%.
I'm probably just 12%.
It's okay.
Why?
We have a long time ahead.
And coffee. To accompany.
Coffee boosts maturity by 5%.
If so, I need 2 more cups.
Hold on, too much increases anxiety by 50%.
Yeah.
So take it slow.
Sip by sip of coffee. Step by step to maturity.
That sounds like an ad slogan.
Emna, have you ever had a world-collapsing moment from embarrassment in class?
If I tell all, we'd be here until dark.
Sounds full of fun stories.
For example, once the teacher asked a question.
Tough question?
No, super easy.
So why embarrassed?
Because I thought the teacher was asking the person behind me.
Oh. Classic. Situation.
I sat dead silent.
And
Teacher stared right at me.
that moment time stands still.
Yes. My brain went blank.
I know that feeling well.
You too?
Once the teacher called my name.
And
At that time, I was daydreaming about lunch.
your brain was lost in the eatery.
Spot on. When snapping back to reality, I only heard the last sentence.
What sentence?
Alex, what do you think about this?
And you answered?
I blurted, I agree.
But what was the question?
I had no idea.
Risky.
Luckily, the question didn't need detailed explanation.
Luck was on your side that day.
But sometimes not.
Tell more.
Once I stood up and answered completely wrong.
Wrong how?
Wrong to the point, the whole class went silent.
Oh gosh.
Teacher looked at me. For a long time.
And what did the teacher say?
Alex, you're talking about a different subject.
Unbelievable.
I mixed it up with the lesson from the previous class.
That's a peak academic crossover.
From then on, I always check the question carefully.
I think everyone has moments like that.
The consolation is,
What?
everyone forgets after a few days.
Except best friends.
Right.
Best friends remember like leeches.
And bring it up when there's the most people around.
That's the sacred mission of friendship. Alex, do you ever lie in bed and suddenly think of weird things?
Many times.
Example?
At 2 a.m., I once wondered, who was the first person to dare eat a pineapple?
Yeah,
A pineapple looks more like a weapon than fruit.
that person must have been brave.
Or starving.
I often have weird thoughts too.
Tell me.
Once I imagined, what if cats could talk?
I think cats would nag all day.
Why isn't the food bowl overflowing?
Why do humans take my bed?
Exactly.
But nighttime thoughts are often very philosophical.
Yes.
Daytime think about schoolwork.
Nighttime think about the vast universe.
Or replay mistakes from 2017.
Oh, so true.
Our brains can replay cringe memories at midnight.
And add a double embarrassment effect.
I once lay dead silent thinking, why did I say that?
Did your brain answer?
No. It just looped it.
Like a free movie theater.
But all embarrassment films.
However, nighttime also spawns cool ideas.
Example?
Once I thought of a peak way to do a presentation,
Awesome.
but woke up and forgot it all.
Classic.
Only vaguely remember it was super cool idea.
Nighttime brain is insanely creative.
But morning memory is weak.
Maybe should jot it down.
But too sleepy then.
Battle between idea and cozy pillow.
And pillow always wins.
Emna, do you think about the future?
Yes.
What's your dream?
A stable life and enough sleep.
Sounds very adult.
What about you?
I want to do work I'm passionate about.
For example?
Maybe content creation.
Sounds appealing.
I like telling stories, sharing fun things.
You'd be great.
But I think the future doesn't need to be absolutely perfect.
Just happy enough?
And enough coffee.
Coffee appears again.
It's an indispensable side character.
If in the future we still meet at coffee shops,
And tell silly stories.
then life is fine.
Yes,
Life doesn't need to be serious all the time.
a bit of humor makes everything lighter.
And a friend to confide in.
Like right now.
Yeah.
Speaking of which,
What?
your coffee cup is empty.
Oh, right.
Shall we order more?
If we order more, the conversation will drag on.
I think that's the best idea.
But this time you pay.
Hold on.
What?
I thought we were talking about the future.
We are.
So in the future, you pay.
Alex.
Whew.
That's the fastest failed plan I've ever heard.
I still had to try.
Fine.
What?
We'll split.
Fair enough.
And continue chatting.
Because it's the weekend.
And the coffee shop is still open.
So the story isn't over yet.